Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn implementing the file watch mode for automatic reloading in the Node.js application. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically, when we use Nodemon for watching mode for the automatic reload, in the Node.js 18 or 18 above, this feature is inbuilt that you can use the watch mode for automatic reloading in the Node.js application. Let's see how we have to do that one. Okay, so let's open any Node.js project. So I'm going to open any Node.js project. Okay, so any server.js file is there. Let's scroll down and paste our basic code. Okay, so this is a basic one. Okay, so whatever changes we do, it automatically reflect like the node mon. Okay, so let's go and just check nvm use node 20. So 18 plus version should be the 18 plus. So node version this one, and let's try to watch the files. Okay, so here we go with the what we have to write. So this is that one. Okay, so node watch server.js. Okay, you have, this is the code that you have to run on the terminal. Node watch server.js. Okay, running. So whatever changes I will do over here, like hello world to save, and here you can see restarting server.js. Server is running on the port number. Okay, so let's do the console part also. Okay, so here we go with this one. Let's add console dot log. Okay, so here we go with this one, or we will directly go with the route. Okay, so here we go with this localhost. Open the link. Hello world 2 is printing. Now I'm going to make it hello world 3 without, and save this, and automatically if I go and just reload hello world 3, so this works. Okay, so with the help of the watch mode, you can, whatever changes you are doing in your file, it automatically reflects with the help of the watch mode. Okay, so if you want, like we want to check the previous state also, preserve state also, so what you have done previously, that's also a solution. Okay, so you basically you can just go with adding the scripts also here, like this start node. So let's go and just add it in the package.json file, so you don't need to run every time. So here we go with the package.json, where it is. Mhm. Package.json, here we have the scripts. Let's add the script over here. Here we have to go with server.js. They, if you want to go with the preserve states also, so here you need to put like this: node watch preserve output server. Copy and just paste. Okay, so whatever changes I'm going to do over here, let's have a look. So server.js hello world, shift this. Okay, so if I go reload, working, and here you can see restarting the server is this one, because here we haven't console.log. Okay, let's do some console.log over here. So we will check that the previous state and the current state. So here we go with the hello world. Okay, and let's, you can see hello world. If I go with hello world 2, hello world 2. Okay, so previous one is hello world, second one is hello world 2. So states are also, preserved states are also there. Last whatever we have done, updated state, updated one is also there, and the previous old value is also there, right? So this is how we can use the watch mode in Node.js. This is inbuilt one. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.